To sum up, we've journeyed through the exciting world of car manufacturing. It all starts with the raw materials like steel, aluminum, and plastic, which are then shaped by powerful stamping machines into various panels and parts of a car's body. These panels are welded together by robotic arms with utmost precision, creating a secure and robust vehicle structure. The car body then goes through a meticulous painting process where multiple layers of paint and a clear coat are applied for a stunning finish. Then, the heart of the process, the assembly line, comes into play. Here, every individual component, from the engine to the seats, is carefully installed. Finally, before any car leaves the factory, it undergoes stringent quality control checks to ensure it meets high standards of safety and performance. And that's how a car transitions from raw materials to a finished vehicle, ready for the open road. The car manufacturing process, though complex, is a fascinating blend of human skill and advanced technology, all working together to create the vehicles we rely on every day. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of car manufacturing. Until next time, keep exploring.